the first spring rain, you arrive where the sorrow stayed, hands that were clenched in pain, open like flowers, unafraid. Stay like a tide of quiet grace, wash through my wounded days, carry the weight away. You breathe through the cracks inside my chest, fill every aching space, leave only light, only rest. All of the broken years fading now, like a far-off shore. Under these falling tears, something gentle begins to form.